Yeah, she called, said you were blaring loud music.
When I saw you pull up, I started to go near the speaker, and I just walked away like, fuck it, I'm not gonna turn it down. So I'm gonna let him
So
see that it's not loud.
yeah.
I got steaks on the grill. The kids got like real good report from school, so they like Haagen-Dazs ice cream cones and steaks, bro. That's
I was
all.
gonna say it's not. Here's my thing. She's calling about this, right?
About what? The
About the
music?
music being loud. And it's not even. It's during normal hours.
Bro, she got so many freaking cameras. Like if you walk and look at that window, she's got so many cameras on us. All I can tell you is that she's like mentally ill. Now, I got little kids and we're dealing with trauma and shit. So I ain't trying to deal with no grown person's mental illness.
No,
I'm cool with y'all. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, like I'm not trying to make anything a big deal because I don't like.
If you think it's loud, I'll turn it down. But I don't think it's loud.
I was gonna say, I'm just gonna tell my dispatch, hey, I told you to turn it down. If you could just turn it down a little bit, but I'm like, it's not even.
Sure, I'll turn it down.
If you don't mind.
It's cool, man. It's cool.
It's not even like us. It's her. To be honest, you know who it is.
Bro,
and I'm like, y'all. I'm like, we haven't had a call over here in a minute. So
that's because it's been cold. I haven't been outside.
I know, but I'm just saying it's been good. But if you could just, I know you know what it is. But if you could just turn it down just a little, but it's not like I said. I can't enforce anything really. You know what I mean?
I got it.
Because it's not. He's good.
Just doing steaks, bro.
Yeah, he's gonna get steak.
Kids get good at school. They got a good parent-teacher conference, so I got steaks on the barbie.
Have fun.
Yeah. So we're good. I told him just turn. It's during normal business hours, not like. You know what I mean? Yeah. So